Welcome to the video by Spexin. Zoology Miller and Harley MCQs.
Chapter 31. Energy and Enzymes. Life's driving and controlling forces. Let's start. Because plants capture solar energy, they are termed consumers. Primary, secondary, tertiary, decomposing. Correct answer: primary. The total of all the chemical reactions occurring in a cell is termed anabolism, catabolism, metabolism, kinetic energy. Correct answer: metabolism. A typical food chain consists of primary consumers, secondary consumers, decomposers. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Chemical reactions that occur spontaneously are called endergonic, exergonic, catalysis, positive reactions. Correct answer: exergonic. Which of the following is associated with the second law of thermodynamics? Entropy. All objects in the universe tend to become more disordered. The total amount of disorder in the universe is continually increasing. All of the above. Correct answer: entropy. Electrical energy passing through a hot plate to produce heat energy would be a good example of the first law of thermodynamics. The second law of thermodynamics. Entropy. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Lower the amount of energy required to initiate a chemical reaction. Catalysts, enzymes, ribozymes. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. When a substrate molecule binds to an enzyme's active site, a dash forms. Product, reactant, enzyme substrate complex, element. Correct answer: enzyme substrate complex. Which of the following is a cofactor? Calcium ions, copper ions, manganese ions. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. Enzyme activity can be affected by temperature, heat, substrate concentration. All of the above. Correct answer: all of the above. The major energy currency of the cell is ADP, AMP, DNA. Correct answer: ADP. One of the most important coenzymes in the cell is the hydrogen ion acceptor. ADP, NAD, FAD, ADP. Correct answer: NAD. Within their cells, animals make ATP by substrate-level phosphorylation, chemiosmosis. Neither A nor B. Both A and B. Correct answer: both A and B. From an evolutionary perspective, the oldest mode of generating energy is substrate-level phosphorylation, chemiosmosis, oxidative phosphorylation, direct energy transfers. Correct answer: substrate-level phosphorylation. NAD is in its dash form: oxidized, reduced, anabolic, catabolic. Correct answer: oxidized. The breaking of one high-energy bond in ATP releases approximately kcal of energy. 1, 5, 7, 25. Correct answer: 7.
Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.